Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is BAE Systems Boeing and Saab sign UK teaming agreement for T-7 pilot training offer with local final assembly plan. BAE Systems, Boeing and Saab signed a UK T-7 teaming agreement. The plan includes a British final assembly and integration site. The companies are pitching the Boeing T-7 training system. The offer targets the UK's next-generation pilot training requirement. The partnership would create hundreds of high-value UK jobs. It would also build supply chain roles across the program life cycle. The companies said the plan supports sovereign UK training control. It is tied to future combat air and RAF readiness needs. Charles Woodburn, BAE Systems CEO, said the team can support UK needs. He called the offer a modern, integrated training solution. Woodburn said it aligns with the UK Defence Investment Plan. He also said it strengthens the UK's sovereign industrial capability. Boeing Defence Chief Steve Parker called the agreement an important step. He said the T-7 can support sovereign pilot training. Parker said the program can back high-value jobs across Britain. He also linked the offer to UK industrial capability. Saab CEO Michael Johansson welcomed continued cooperation with BAE Systems. He said the partnership strengthens T-7's position for the RAF. The T-7 is now in US Air Force flight testing. It reached Milestone C in late April. The system combines flying training with advanced simulation. It supports pilots moving to Typhoon and F-35 frontline aircraft. The partners signed an initial letter of intent in November 2025. They are now assessing a UK assembly site and supply chain. The design can evolve with future aircraft and missions. The companies said it can support 6th-generation combat air training. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.